Hi, I am Purvi. Welcome back. I am here today with another exciting lesson. Yes, and that is about conditional sentences. So, this grammar lesson is about conditional sentences in English. Yes, there are many, but we would start with zero conditional and first conditional sentences today. You will definitely find this lesson very helpful. After this lesson, you will be able to express yourself clearly with better English sentences. So before we begin, let's look at the structure. Now, yes, when I say conditions, there is a condition, right? So हम बात कर रहे हैं कि yes, if this happens, this is the outcome or this is what the result that you get, right? If you do this, you get this. ये होता है तो ये होता है. Now structure, if you see, there are two clauses, right? Two sentences. One is the if clause and one is the main clause. So in main clause and if clause, simple sentence, right? It is present simple tense. Both the sentences are of present simple tense in English. Yes, if you don't know simple present tense, then I want you to watch my video on present simple tense. The link is there in the description below, or you can check that link here. Check that tense first, right? And then join me for this class. Yes. So it is if plus present simple tense, and the next sentence is also present simple tense. In all these examples, you can replace if with when also sometimes, right? When is also possible. We will check that. Now, where do we use these conditions? कहाँ पर use करते हैं? You use this zero conditional sentences to talk about facts, general facts, truth or habits, or to give instructions or talk about rules. You use this statement. Let's understand. If I wake up early, I reach office on time. Yes, this is a fact. अगर मैं जल्दी उठता हूं तो ऑफिस टाइम पे पहुंचता हूं. Yes, and if I say if I don't wake up early, I don't reach office on time. So this is how you make negative, right? Present simple negative with I don't wake up, I don't reach. Now next, if the power goes off, we don't attend study online. We don't study online. Yes. So power off हो जाता है तो हम online study नहीं करते हैं. Definitely. If you need money, yes, you go to the bank, or if we need money, we go to the bank and we withdraw money. If we get sick or if I get sick, I go to the doctor. हम बीमार होते हैं तो डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं. You can also talk about your habit and you can say when I get sick, I try home remedies. When I get sick, I try home remedies. जब मैं बीमार होती हूँ तो मैं घरेलू दवाई करती हूँ, right? I don't go to the doctor. So that is my habit. You can say if it is hot, we don't go out in the afternoon. Yes, गर्मी होती है तो हम बाहर नहीं जाते हैं. If you fail in the exam, you get upset. You become upset. अगर आप फेल होते हैं तो upset हो जाते हैं. If we don't get proper sleep, we get sick. अगर अच्छी नींद, पूरी नींद नहीं करते हैं तो हम बीमार होते हैं. If we eat junk food, we become sick. You can say if I eat healthy food, I stay fit. If I sleep early, I wake up early. जल्दी सोते हैं तो जल्दी उठते हैं. You can also give instructions that if you miss your class, you take notes from somebody else on the second day. अगर आप मिस करते हैं क्लास तो नेक्स्ट डे किसी से नोट्स लेते हैं. If we heat ice, I would say, if we heat ice, it melts. हम आइस को गर्म करते हैं तो पिघलता है. If we boil water, it turns into vapor. पानी को उबालते हैं तो भाप बन जाता है. So this is all zero conditional sentences, right? Wherein ये होता है तो ये जरूर होता है. Again, these are general facts, your habits, instructions and rules. Now let's understand how we use first conditional sentences. Again, yes, if you don't know present simple tense, check that video and understand present simple first and then try this sentences. Fine. Now let's look at this another sentence. First conditional sentences. Now what is first conditional sentences? Yes. So now here again there are two clauses, but if I am talking about, yes, now this is not a fact, right? This is not a fact. This is my plan. Can be my prediction or warnings or offers, correct? So if this happens, this will happen. अगर ये होता है तो ये होगा. Now, if this happens, if you do this, you will get this. So with if, you use present simple tense and second sentence is future simple tense. So if I get sick, I will go to the doctor. अगर मैं बीमार होता हूं तो मैं डॉक्टर के पास जाऊंगा, राइट? इफ आई डोंट गेट सिक, आई वोंट गो टू द डॉक्टर. बीमार नहीं होता हूं तो मैं नहीं जाऊंगा. यस, इफ यू डोंट हरी, यू विल मिस द बस. इफ यू डोंट हरी, जल्दी नहीं करते हो तो बस मिस कर दोगे. सो देयर इज अ कंडीशन, राइट, कि अगर आप जल्दी नहीं करते हो तो आपकी बस मिस हो जाएगी. यू विल मिस योर बस. If you are busy now, we will talk again in the evening. If you are busy now, we can talk later or we can talk in the evening. अगर अभी आप busy हो तो हम बाद में बात करेंगे. If she doesn't call me, I will be annoyed. Again, see, when I say that if she doesn't call me, I am annoyed, मतलब I am talking about a fact. Every time when she doesn't call me, I am annoyed. What is annoyed? To be sad. So, अगर वो मुझे फोन नहीं करती है तो मैं हमेशा सैड हो जाता हूं. दैट इज जनरल स्टेटमेंट, जीरो कंडीशनल. बट यहां पर आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट फर्स्ट कंडीशनल, वेरिन आई एम सेइंग दैट इफ शी डजंट कॉल मी, आई विल बी अनॉयड. अगर वो नहीं करते हैं तो मैं ये अनॉयड हो जाऊंगा. सी, अंडरस्टैंड द डिफरेंस, सो यू कैन यूज दैट प्रॉपरली इन द सिचुएशन. इफ यू प्रैक्टिस डेली, you will improve your English. Yes, if you attend regularly, if you attend conversation class daily, you will improve your fluency in English. You will become better in English. अगर ये करते हो तो ये होगा. Similarly, if you don't practice daily, if you don't attend conversation class daily, you won't improve your English. If you buy today, this is again offer, you will get discount. So if you buy today, you will get discount. If you don't buy today, you won't get discount. आज नहीं खरीदी करोगे तो खरीदी करते हो तो आपको डिस्काउंट नहीं मिलेगा. So this is about offers, right? Yes, you can talk about plans also. If you come early, we will have a meeting, right? अगर तुम जल्दी आते हो तो हम मीटिंग करेंगे. Now, if you don't do your homework, this is punishment, right? Or I would say warning. If you don't do your homework, you will get punishment. Now this is a warning. If you don't do your homework, you will get punishment. If you don't attend your class regularly, your admission will get cancelled, right? So this is how it is about warnings. If she comes early, we will have a meeting, right? अगर वो जल्दी आती है तो we will have a meeting. So अगर ये होता है तो ये होगा. Also practice negative, right? If you don't eat healthy food, you won't become healthy. और you won't become healthy. अगर अच्छा नहीं खाते हो तो अच्छी हेल्थ, सेहत नहीं बनेगी. If you don't work hard, you won't get the job. Or if you don't practice properly, you won't find better job. If you don't improve your English, you won't find better job, right? अगर आप अच्छी मेहनत नहीं करते हो या अच्छा इंग्लिश नहीं करते हो तो आप सक्सेसफुल नहीं बनोगे या आपको बेटर जॉब नहीं मिलेगा. नहीं करते हो तो ये नहीं होगा. So this is your plan. Again, warnings, predictions, right? If it doesn't rain, we will go out. अगर बारिश नहीं होती है तो हम जाएंगे. You can also give suggestions, right? If you try for that job and practice accordingly, you will get that job. This is a suggestions. आप ये करते हो तो ये होगा. So think of the situations. Try to make more examples, right? Write down, understand. And yes, if you have doubts, don't forget, you can share doubts in the comments below. Understanding of these sentences, right, will help you to speak better English. अच्छे English में बात कर सकेंगे. ये zero condition में ये होता है तो ये जरूर होता है. When I say first conditional में, you would say that yes, ये होता है तो ये होगा. Correct? Yes, practice more. And if you find my videos interesting and useful, share with your friends, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.